Here's the truth about pet hair removal from your car that 67% of pet owners discover the hard way. Those stubborn strands aren't just sitting on your seats waiting to be picked up. Pet dander and hair create a complex cleaning challenge that requires specialized techniques. With 94 million American households owning pets and 88% of dog owners bringing their furry companions along for rides, keeping vehicles clean has become everyone's problem, not just a cosmetic issue. Dog hair bonds to surfaces through static electricity, weaving deep into carpet fibers and seat fabric with surprising strength. Professional detailers admit something most people don't know. Even with unlimited time and the best equipment, they can only promise about 90% hair removal because that final 10% fights back exponentially harder. What makes this worse is time itself. The longer hair sits in your car, the deeper it burrows into fabric fibers. Every trip to the dog park, every vet visit, every quick grocery run pushes those strands further down where normal cleaning can't reach them. And with Americans spending over $136 billion on their pets in 2022 alone, we're clearly not abandoning our four-legged travel buddies anytime soon. Let me start with the method that shocked professional detailers during testing. Specialized pet hair removal tools won, but not the ones you'd expect. The Lily Brush Mini Pet Hair Detailer consistently beat everything else for stubborn embedded hair, while the Chemical Guy's brush excelled at stirring up loose dirt from carpet fibers. The winning technique works like this. Use the Chemical Guy's brush first to agitate carpet and break loose embedded debris, then follow with the Lily Brush to capture freed hair. Budget-conscious owners can dampen rubber gloves to create static electricity that lifts pet hair effectively, though this takes more muscle than specialized tools. Professional detailers learned something crucial that separates effective tools from expensive gimmicks. Despite online claims, the best methods don't rely on liquids, tapes, or static electricity alone. Home remedies like balloons for static electricity might grab 5% of hair if it's sitting perfectly on carpet surface, but they're worthless for embedded strands. Pet brushes from pet stores might work great for grooming your dog, but they're terrible for vehicle cleaning. One detailer stumbled onto the most unexpected effective tool. A rubber-soled sneaker used sideways with a scraping motion to gather fur before vacuuming. It's cheap, always available, and outperforms many expensive gadgets designed specifically for this job. Proper vacuuming technique forms the foundation of any effective pet hair removal strategy. This isn't just about suction power, though you want at least 150 air watts from a HEPA-filtered vacuum to handle embedded hair effectively while capturing pet dander and allergens. Technique matters more than equipment. Start by lightly dampening upholstery with water. This clumps hair together, making extraction easier. Work in sections rather than trying to vacuum the entire car at once, and use a lifting motion on carpets to pull loose hairs up and out of fibers. Skip hard plastic vacuum heads that can damage carpet pile. For fabric seats, use your specialized tools first, then vacuum in multiple directions to lift pile and extract deeper hair. Leather needs a different approach. Wipe surfaces with a microfiber cloth and dryer sheet first to prevent static buildup, then vacuum with appropriate attachments. Most people miss this critical detail. Empty your vacuum regularly during the process. A full canister drastically cuts suction power, making your efforts less effective. Standard home vacuums with HEPA filtration often work better than car vacuums because they have more powerful motors and better attachment tools. Steam cleaning represents the third method, and it's gaining popularity for solid reasons. High-temperature dry vapor steam penetrates upholstery to sanitize every surface while loosening pet hair fibers without the risks of traditional wet cleaning methods. Unlike shampooing, steam cleaning uses minimal water, reducing mold and mildew risks in your vehicle. The benefits go beyond hair removal. Steam cleaning eliminates up to 99.9% of bacteria and viruses while being completely chemical-free, making it safe for families with children and pets. For odor elimination, steam breaks down odor-causing substances on a molecular level rather than just masking smells. Professional mobile steam services typically use only a few liters of water per vehicle compared to 150 to 200 liters for traditional car washes, making it environmentally conscious. For pet owners, steam cleaning every 3 to 6 months maintains a fresh, sanitary environment, though frequent travelers with pets may need more regular treatments. When using steam equipment, adjust temperature and pressure for different surfaces. Use lower heat for leather and delicate headliner materials, and employ appropriate attachments. Triangular or upholstery tools for fabric seats, microfiber cloths wrapped around nozzles for leather to diffuse heat. The fourth method tackles the challenge that makes many pet owners consider selling their cars: enzymatic cleaners for pet accidents. Unlike traditional cleaners that mask odors, enzymatic cleaners use biological enzymes to break down proteins in urine, feces, and vomit at the molecular level. Pet urine contains higher concentrations of ammonia and proteins than human urine, making it more pungent and more likely to encourage repeat accidents if not properly cleaned. The proteins and uric acid crystals cause lasting discoloration and odor retention, and only enzymatic cleaners can break down these compounds effectively. Rocco and Roxy Stain and Odor Eliminator, which carries the Carpet and Rug Institute seal of approval, and Nature's Miracle Stain and Odor Remover, consistently receive top ratings from both professional detailers and pet owners. 1 year into puppy parenthood, many owners report that Rocco and Roxy is the only low-maintenance cleaner that actually removes all types of pet messes from various surfaces. Application technique is crucial. Spray enzymatic cleaner generously over affected areas and let it sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes, though longer contact time produces better results. If you can let it sit for an hour or more, do it, then re-wet the area before blotting with microfiber towels. For deep penetration into upholstery, you may need to repeat the process several times. Important warning: enzymatic cleaners aren't suitable for leather interiors, and you should avoid using vinegar or baking soda if you plan to use enzymatic cleaners, as these substances can neutralize the enzyme's effectiveness. Natural DIY solutions make up the fifth method, though they work best for maintenance rather than heavy-duty cleaning. Baking soda acts as a natural deodorizer by absorbing odors rather than masking them. Sprinkle it liberally over seats and carpets, let it sit for several hours, then vacuum thoroughly with your HEPA-filtered vacuum. For persistent odors, leave a plate of baking soda inside your vehicle overnight. White vinegar mixed with equal parts water creates an effective spray for light odor control. The tiny droplets from a spray bottle help you cover more ground efficiently, or you can wet a microfiber cloth with the mixture and wipe down surfaces directly. For natural air freshening without health risks from commercial air fresheners, gather fresh herbs like basil or mint along with lemon and orange rinds. Boil them for 5 to 10 minutes, then soak a wooden clothespin in the fragrant water. After drying, clip the clothespin to your car vents for a pet-safe fresh scent. Avoid highly concentrated scents like essential oils, which can cause discomfort and medical risks for dogs. Stick to dog-friendly ingredients like cinnamon and ginger if you want to experiment with natural fragrances. Prevention through protective measures forms the sixth method, and it's arguably the most cost-effective long-term strategy. Quality seat covers like WeatherTech or rough liners create barriers between your pet and upholstery, trapping fur, dirt, and preventing scratches. They're much easier to wash than your car's actual seats. Modern seat covers offer impressive features. Hard-bottom designs support up to 450 pounds while creating stable, flat surfaces across back seats. Hammock-style covers like rough liners include integrated door panel protection that most competitors lack. Water-resistant fabrics protect against wet paws and drool, while scratch-resistant materials hold up to digging and shifting. WeatherTech floor liners designed specifically for your vehicle model contain hair better than universal mats, preventing it from getting embedded in carpet fibers. These laser-measured floor liners provide the most effective coverage. Additional protective accessories include waterproof seat covers, non-slip mats, and pet safety harnesses. Keep a mobile cleaning kit in your car with lint rollers, rubber gloves, white vinegar solution, and microfiber cloths for immediate mess management. Pre-ride preparation significantly reduces the amount of hair and pet dander that ends up in your vehicle. Brush your pet with a Furminator or similar de-shedding tool before car trips to remove loose fur. A small car humidifier can prevent the dry skin that leads to excessive scratching and shedding. Anti-static spray lightly misted on seats before rides prevents hair from sticking in the first place. Professional detailing services represent the seventh method, and they're worth considering when DIY efforts fall short. Professional detailers use specialized HEPA-filtered vacuums and tools designed specifically for deeply embedded pet hair removal. reaching areas between seats and in tight corners that home equipment can't access effectively. Beyond hair removal, professional services eliminate odors rather than masking them through enzymatic cleaners and steam cleaning. Many apply protective coatings that create barriers preventing future dirt, hair, and moisture penetration, making subsequent cleanings easier. Professional pet hair removal typically adds $20 to $50 to standard detailing costs, though severe cases can cost up to $300. Many customers maintain professional cleaning schedules every 3 to 6 months to keep interiors manageable between visits. The protective coatings professionals use, like I1V3 Smart Fabric for cloth surfaces and L1V2 Leather Guard for leather, create long-lasting barriers that prevent pet hair from sticking and make future cleaning more effective. Professionals know something most pet owners don't. Certain problems have physical limitations. Steam cleaning doesn't penetrate very deeply, so if urine has seeped into foam cushioning, even professional equipment may not solve the problem completely. In these cases, seat cushion replacement might be the only permanent solution. Brendan Thomas, National Director of Training for Nuven Air Global, puts this in perspective. As clean as we believe our pets to be, animals undeniably leave behind unpleasant reminders of being passengers in vehicles. Pets bring dirt, grime, and, in some instances, even fecal matter into our cars. If improperly cleaned, animal odors will linger because of physical contaminants left behind. With 15% of dog owners now taking their pets on daily errands compared to just 10% in 2018, and Generation Z accounting for 20% of pet-owning households with 70% owning multiple pets, these cleaning challenges will only intensify. The pet industry's growth to over $130 billion in North America reflects our commitment to including pets in our daily lives, transportation included. The most effective approach combines multiple methods: prevention through quality, WeatherTech floor liners and pre-ride preparation with Furminator de-shedding, regular maintenance with specialized tools and proper HEPA-filtered vacuuming techniques, immediate treatment of accidents with CRI-approved enzymatic cleaners, and periodic professional deep cleaning to reset your vehicle's condition. Research from Aston University found between 300 and 650 germs and bacteria on various car surfaces, making regular cleaning about more than just aesthetics or comfort. With 32% of drivers cleaning their car interiors only once yearly and 12% never cleaning them at all, pet owners who implement these 7 methods will maintain healthier, more pleasant vehicles while protecting their investment. The key is consistency rather than perfection. Professional detailers achieve about 90% hair removal even with unlimited time and specialized equipment, so don't expect miracles from any single method. The combination of prevention, proper technique, appropriate tools, and regular maintenance creates the cleanest possible environment for both you and your 4-legged travel companions. Your car doesn't have to become a mobile pet hair repository just because you love traveling with your pets. These 7 methods, used strategically and consistently, can keep your vehicle clean, fresh, and ready for whatever adventure you and your furry friends plan next. Hit that like button and subscribe for more honest automotive insights based on actual data.